Hi everyone, today we'll divide a decimal number 1.7 divided by 10. Then we have choices here A, B, C and D. We'll see which one is correct. Now when you divide a number by power of 10 like 10, 100 or 1000, you don't need long division. Instead, you move the decimal point. Now remember, when multiplying numbers get larger, so we move to the right. But when we divide, the numbers need to get smaller, so we move the decimal point to the left. Now look at the number 10, it has only 1 0. That means we move our decimal point 1 place to the left. Let us do it. 1 0 here. So we'll move this one to the left 1 place or 1 step. So the answer here will be 8.17, which is C. If you like this video, please don't forget to like it, subscribe to my channel for more videos, leave a comment, and thank you for watching.